पादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशकारिणे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती नामिने। श्रीवासवानवी देवी दयिताय कृपाब्धे कृष्ण संबंध विज्ञान दायिने प्रभवे नमः। माधुर्योज्जलते मध्य श्रीरूपानुगभक्तिदा श्रीगौरा करुणाशक्ति राय नमोस्तुते। नमस्ते गौरवाणी श्रीमूर्तये दीनतारिणे रूपानुगाविरुद्धात् सिद्धान्तद्वादधारिणे। नमो गौरकिशोराय साक्षात् वैराग्यमूर्तये विप्रलम्बारसाम्भोजे अलाम्बुजाय ते नमः। नमो भक्ति विनोदाय सच्चिदानन्दनामिने गौरशक्ति स्वरूपाय रूपानुगावराय ते गौराविर्भावभूमेस्त्वं निर्देष्टा सज्जन प्रियः वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिशे नमः। पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकं। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। जयतां शरदोर्भङ्गो मामन्दमते गति मत्सर्वस्वापदां राधा मदन मोहन दिव्यवृन्दारण्यकल्पप्रमादा श्रीमद्रत्नाकर सिंहासनस्थौ श्रीमद्राधा श्रीलगोविन्ददेव पृष्ठालिविषेव्यमानः स्मरामि। श्रीमान् रासरसारम्भी वंशीवटतटस्थितः कर्षं वेणुस्वनेर्गोपीः कपिनाथः श्रीयस्तनः तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर वासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। वन्दे दुर्मीशवत्तानीशावतारम् तत्प्रकाशान् सच्छक्तिः कृष्ण चैतन्य संजगम्। वन्दे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य नित्यानन्द सहोदितो गौडोदये पुष्पवन्तौ चित्रसक्तो तमोदौ यदद्वैतं ब्रह्मोपनिषदि तदप्यस्य तनुका यान्त्र्यामि पुरुषः इति सोऽस्यां स्वैभवः। हरेश्वर्यै पूर्णो य भगवान् स स्वयंमयम् न चैतन्य कृष्णात् जगति परतत्त्वं परं विहा अनर्पितचरिं चिरात् कारुणयावतीर्णः खलु समर्पयितुम् उन्नतोज्ज्वलरसां स्वभक्तिश्रियम्। हरिवरदसुन्दरदुरितदम्ब सन्दीपितः नन्दनः राधाकृष्णप्रणय विकृतलादिनी शक्तिरस्मान् एकवात्मानमपि भुवि पुरदेहभेदं गतौ चैतन्यात्मं प्रगणवधूरदद्वयं चैक्यमात्तं राधाभावदोषवलितं नौमि कृष्णस्वरूपम्। श्रीराधायाः प्रणयमहिमा कीदृशो वा नैव स्वाद्यो यन्कृतमधुरिमा कीदृशो वा मदीयः सौख्यं चास्य वदन भवतः कीदृशं वेत्ति लोभात् तद्भावाढ्य समाजं सुखिगर्भसिन्धुहरिन्दु सङ्घर्षणकारणोपविष्टये गर्भोदशायी च पयोक्तिशायी शेषस्य यस्यां सकला सन्त्या नन्दाख्य राम शरणं ममस्तु। मायातीते व्यापि वैकुण्ठलोके पूर्णैश्वरे श्रीचित्रव्यूहमध्ये रूपं यस्योद्भाति सङ्कर्षणाख्यं तं श्रीनित्यानन्दरामं प्रपद्ये। मायावर्ताजाण्डसङ्गाश्रयाङ्गः तेति साक्षात् कारणां बोधिमध्ये यस्यैकांश श्रीभुमानादिदेव हम श्री नित्यानंदरामं प्रपद्ये यस्यांशांशांश शीलगर्भोदशायी यन्नाब्जं लोकसंगातनादं लोकसस्तुतिगादामदातु हम श्री नित्यानंदरामं प्रपद्ये यस्यांशांशांशः परमात्मा किलानां घोषाविष्णुर्वादिदुग्धाभिषायी पुष्टिवत्तस्य कालस्यप्यनन्तस् हम श्री नित्यानंदरामं प्रपद्ये महाविष्णुर्जगत्कर्ता मायया यः सृजत्तदः तस्यावतारे वायम् अद्वैताचार्य ईश्वरः अद्वैतं हरिणद्वैतात् आचार्यं भक्तिसंशनात् भक्तावतारमीशं अद्वैताचार्यमाश्रये पञ्चतत्त्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिम् श्रीराम सुरतोत्तंगुर मानंदमतेर्गति सर्वसमदा भोजो राधामदन मोहन दिव्यद्वृन्दारण्यकल्पद्रुमादः श्रीमद्रत्नागार सिंहासनस्थो श्रीमद्राधा श्रीलगोविन्ददेवो पृष्ठाद्विश्वेमानस्मरामि श्रीमान् रासरसारङ्गी वंशीवटतटस्थितः कशं वेणुसनेर्लोके गोपीनाथः श्रीयस्पुनः
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Today is the auspicious appearance day of Srimati Radharani. To discuss about Radharani, the only qualification is to think of Chaitanya. When you think of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you qualify to speak about Srimati Radharani. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna himself, and he himself is not able to understand the glory of Srimati Radharani. So for that sake, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had to take the mood of Srimati Radharani. Krishna had to take the mood of Srimati Radharani and come as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The same Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is actually the mood. He is Radharani. She is Radharani. यदि गौर ना होए तो कभी भी होए तो राधा महिमा विमल समाधि कृष्ण. If Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had not been there, how will the world know about the glories of Srimati Radharani? So today, thinking of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from the Chaitanya Charitamrita, we'll discuss something about the glory of Radha and Krishna. On the day of Janmashtami here in this place, I introduced one book called Chamatkar Chandrika. Today, I'm going to introduce to you another book called Vidutta Madhava Goswami. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, himself, he's actually introduced this book by giving verses from Vidutta Madhava. So, beautiful verses in Vidutta Madhava written by Rupa Goswami. Especially, we say Rupa Goswami is Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishtam. He knows the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Who is there in the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Radharani. So if somebody knows the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu means he knows Radharani. Rupa Goswami actually knows Srimati Radharani. Now he was thinking of writing past tense of Krishna book. Then on the way to Jagannath Puri to meet Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Bhaktivama herself came and told Rupa Goswami, no, write two books, don't write one book. Because the pastimes of Krishna in Vrindavan with the Vraja Gopis cannot be compared to the pastimes of Krishna with me and other queens of Dwarka. They are two different Krishnas actually. In Rajendrandan, in Raja, Krishna is Rajendrandan. In Dwarka, Krishna is Vasudeva. So you write two books, not one, two dramas. And Rupa Goswami came to meet Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also indicated How dare you take Krishna out of Vrindavan? Krishna doesn't go out of Vrindavan. So you want to discuss about Krishna, you have to discuss about Brajananda Krishna in a separate book. And you have to discuss about Krishna in Dwarka in a separate book. So Rupa Goswami wrote two books, which are actually Natika, drama. One is known as Vidatta Madhava, which is contained the pastimes of Krishna in Vrindavan. Another is Lalita Madhava, which is contained the pastimes of Krishna in Dwarka. So one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and Rupa Goswami was writing this book. Rupa Goswami knows the heart of Chaitanya. So in the heart of Chaitanya, who is there? Radharani is there. So Rupa Goswami knows Radharani, the Madhurima, the sweetness of Radharani. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and snatched Madhurima paper. So, what are you writing? Then he saw the handwriting of Rupa Goswami, became so happy. And all this is a nice arrangement of pearls. His handwriting is like Muktar Panti. It's like a pearl necklace. Goswami, he saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw the first and gave it to Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur read the words, he was in ecstasy, he embraced the words, the paper, piece of paper, and then jumping and dancing in ecstasy. So, till date, I've heard so many glories of the holy names, right, from scriptures, great sadhus have spoken of the glories. But nobody has spoken of the sweetness of the name of Krishna. Swami in that verse, he talks about the sweetness of Krishna. Kunde Tandavini Vitante Davali Lathaye Karnakro Yatavangini Katayate Karna Eda Prangana Sangirim Vijayate Sarvendriyanam Ajane Jarita Kirante Krishna Divanatvayi. Krishna and Krishna's name are non. And who experiences the name of form of Krishna, the topmost is Mukti. And if Krishna and Krishna's name are non-different, who experiences the sweetness of the name of Krishna, the topmost experience is Mukti. So this world is also the experience which Radharani herself is having, and it was infused into the heart of Rupa Goswami. Kunde Tandavini Ratin Krishna Divarnatvayi. And they say Krishna, Krish, one syllable now. As soon as chant the name, I don't know how much nectar in this name. How much is the depth of the ocean of the nectar? I don't know how much is the length and the breadth of the ocean of nectar in these two names, Krishna. Just two syllables as compared to the ocean of sweetness. And the ocean of sweetness, the depth is unknown, the length is unknown, the breadth is unknown. No jane, I don't know. No jane janita kiya tiramrate krishne divarnati. So when these two syllables enter into my ears, I feel when I chant the names of Krishna, when I chant the syllables Krishna, they dance on my tongue and give me so much of ecstasy that I feel that I require not just one time, I require thousands and lakhs of millions of. So the name of Krishna enters through my ears, and I feel that 2 years is not enough. I feel like having billions of years. And then it says, when the name of Krishna through my ears enters the heart, then I feel that one ear, one heart is not enough. What happens to the heart is completely becomes stunned. Sarvendriyanam kritim. All the senses are completely stunned. And I feel that I am there and Krishna's name is there. When all the devotees heard this verse, Sabe Vela Mahima Sunyachi Apat. Chaitanya Charitamrita until the chapter 1, text number 1. Nama Mahima Sunyachi Apat. Emone Madhurya Kehe Nahi Varne Ar. The devotees are saying, Nama the total name is described in the scriptures. That if you chant the name of Krishna once, you can destroy more sin than the amount of sin what you can ever commit. this name of Krishna, glory is the name of Krishna described in scriptures. But what about the sweetness? Sweetness has not been described in the scripture. The sweetness of the name has never been described. It is in this verse of Krishna. Rai kahe kona grantha kare hai na jani. Ramandra asked, oh, where is this verse come? Which scripture is it from? Yahara bhitare sukham. Raman told, oh, Rupa Goswami, from which scripture is this grantha, is this book? Because if somebody contemplates on these particular words, they can dig a mine of Siddhanta. Rupa kahe Krishna Leela Nataka Karite Raja Leela Pura Leela Ekatra Varnite. Earlier Rupa Goswami thought of doing two books, Vidikta Madha and Lanta Madha together. But now, Arambhiya Chela Ebe Prabhu Ajnapana, on the order of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he has divided the books, one book into two. One for Vrindavan Leela, other for Dwaraka and Mathura Leela. Madhava, Aralalika Madhava, Vinataka, Premarasa, Adbhuta Sabha. So these are two books which describes the highest emotions of transcendental love. Rai kahe namdi shloka pada dekhi suni, Virupa shloka pade Prabhu Ajnamani. And Raman told, oh Rupa Goswami, read the Nandi shloka, the introductory verse from the book Vidikta Madhava. Then as soon as Raman told Rupa Goswami, look at Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu told, okay, chant. Then we start chanting. It is the introductory verse. Sudhanam Sandrinam Abhimadurvanmadadami Dhananam Radha Vipranayat Dhanasarasi Saurabham Samantat Santavongama Vishama Samsara Sharmi Pranitam Te Krishnam Bharatu Harigila Shikarini. So, may this Krishna's pastimes, Harila Shikarani, Harila, which is Sudhanam Chandrinam Apimaduron Madhadhamni, from moon, nice wonderful nectar flows. Actually, all the vanaspati, what your taste, you are experiencing is because of the moon. Windy is having a particular kind of taste. Rain has a particular kind of taste. We have different vegetables having different tastes. All these tastes are coming from moon. Where? Moon. All the nectar comes from moon. And Sudhanam Chandrinam Api. This pastimes of Krishna. The nectar oozing out of the pastimes of Krishna are so wonderful that it even destroys the glory of the nectar oozing out of the moon. Madhurim Madhadami Radhana Radhadi Pranaya Ganasarasi Surapitam. And these pastimes of Krishna, especially Srimati Radharani, are so wonderful. They are like Shikarani. Actually, yogurt is wonderful. But you add some sugar in the yogurt. And that is some kesar in the yogurt. Then it becomes more wonderful. Like Shrikand. Shrikand is actually curd, but a special kind of curd. So it is Shikarani. What does it do? Samanta Santavodhyama Vishama Samsara Sharmi. It destroys all the Vishaka, all the miseries coming from Samsara. At the same time, what does it do? Pranidam De Drishtam Bharatu Harila Ashtarini. All the miseries are destroyed at the same time. What does it do? Krishnam Vishama Samsara Sharmi. All the Vishama Samsara Sharmi and Pranitam Te Krishnam Haratu Krishna Haratu. Two things it does. Harilila. One, it destroys all the miseries in this world and gives you transcendental. And all the useless, unwanted desires which you have in the mind, they are completely destroyed. So what is the purpose of the Goswami writing this Viruddha Madhava? So that all the miseries what we experience in this world, the demons of nature and all our sinful activities are at once destroyed. At the same time, all the unwanted desires which are actually the cause of the further complications in our life. All the complications what we are having because mental desires, everything will be destroyed. Oh, wonderful. Rai kahe, kaha kitta devi ravarna. Rai Ramana asked Goswami. Kaha ishta devi ravarna. To speak about Ishtadeva Varna. Who is your Ishtadeva? Prabhu Sankoche Rupana Kare Patana. Then Rupa Goswami he hesitated. Because Rupa Goswami Ishtadeva was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sitting there. He was sitting, should I speak or not? Prabhu Kahe, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you're not going, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What is going to happen? Verse. Hey, why are you hesitating? Don't be shy. Kaha ke na kare sankocha. Why are you feeling shy? Grantera Phalasuniva Vaishnava Samaj. By hearing you, all the Vaishnava Samaj will be very happy. Abhi Rupa Goswami Yadi Shloka Padi. Start speaking Shloka. Sunite Prabhu Gaye, is right, Atishayo. Yet Stuti Haira, Atistuti Haira. Mahaprabhu don't write this verse. This is too much. Because this verse, first spoken by Rupa, I will just record it. अनंपित चरिंचरा तामया इर्नकलो समर्पयितुं उन्नतोच्चारतां सहर्षिष्यं हरे पुरसुन्दर विकटं दीपितः स्मृतायन्दरे स्मृतुः सतिनन्दनः. So this word was originally spoken by Rupa Goswami, which actually was taught by Swarup Damodar to Rupa Goswami. Ananpita Charinchira, just see what a glory. What no incarnation has given, no scripture has spoken, no saint has spoken, nothing has been awarded, even right from the dawn of creation, from Brahma's creation. What has not ever been given, that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving us. What is that? The topmost in transcendence, that is separation, love in separation. Constantly crying in separation from Krishna, that kind of love. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave to the entire world. As soon as this verse is spoken, Mahaprabhu told me, Ati Stuti, Ati Stuti. Bhakta Gana Kahe Shloka Suniya, Vitartha Karila Sabhaya Shloka Suna. But all devotees told, oh, wonderful verse, wonderful verse. By hearing these words, we have now become light and become successful. They express their gratitude to Krishna. Rai Kahe Kona Amuke Atta Sannidhaya. Rupa Kahe Kala Samye Kavartakanama. There are different aspects in a drama. One of the aspects of drama is known as Kona Amuke. Amuka means a kind of introduction. Patra Sannidhana. All the artists are there, then you have to introduce artists. Krishna is there, Rani is there. If you see the drama, there is a list of actors. Krishna, roles are there. That should be there. Rupa Kahe Kala Samye Kavartakanama. Rupa Goswami tell suitable time is actually Pravartaka. And for the drama to happen also at suitable time. Akshiptakala Samyena Praveshasya Pravartakaha. When the actor enters in the proper on the stage at the proper time, that is called Pravartaka. So what is the proper time? Soyam Vasanta Samayah Saniyaya Yasmin Udantamiswaram Bodhanamanuragam Kudakraha Ruchiraya Saharadayaso Gangaya Sangamite Nishipurnamasi. It was spring time. Spring. Vasanta Rutu. That is what it says. So Yam Vasanta Samayah. The proper time. Krishna Ranga, Ranganatha. Ranga means stage. So Krishna is the best actor. And it's now whole Vrindavan has become Rangakshetra for Krishna. So yam vasanta samaya, the time is vasanta. The time is not appropriate. It's not proper. Like morning 9 o'clock, the sun is rising and Krishna is waiting for Rani to draw. This is what everything has proper time. So yam vasanta samaya, Sami has come. The proper time has come. Purnam Yamishwaram Bodhanavanuragam. Complete Krishna. Purnam. Krishna is complete himself, Atmarama. But what is he now doing? Anchoring. Always complete himself is anchoring. Upabodhanavanuragam. Has developed no attachment. It's not that he never had any ras before, but still new. Navanuragam. Godakraha Ruchiraya Saharadayasu. Graha Ruchiraya. He is completely captivated. Godakraha Ruchiraya. It's beautiful. Saha Radhayasu. Along Radhani is entering the being of Astal. Rangaya Sangamaita Purnamati. He is entering the Rangamaita. Entering the field, the stage where Rasa is. And now he has decorated the stage. Rangaya Sangamaita Purnamati. Night also became people of Krishna's pastime. You see, Bhagavan Vikaratri Sharado Pullamalika. That is Sharad. This is Vasanta. Vasanta pastimes are really special. Radharani's glories are more manifest in Vasanta pastimes. Because Radharani leaves Krishna and goes away, and Krishna waits for Radharani in Vasanta pastimes. In Sharad Rutu pastimes, Raslila, and Radharani and Krishna both go together. Krishna leaves Radharani, and Radharani cries for Krishna. So the Gaudiyas, they are more interested in the pastimes of Krishna, Raslila, Krishna, Vasantas. Rai Bahe, Prarochanadi, Kahaji Krishna. I want to examine your book, what you have written on Prarocana. Rupahe Mahaprabhura Sarvotena Jani. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu desired to hear Prarocana. I want to speak about it. Prarocana means about the devotees who are actually seeing the drama. They also should be there qualified. And what devotees here? Bhaktana Mudagata Nargaladiyam Vargo Nisargo Jvala Shilai Pallavidas Savallavi Vadubhan Bando Prabandho Pyaso Deve Chatvaratam Datantava Vide Vrindatavi Garbhabur Anye Madvida Punya Mandala Paripapo Yamunidati. Devotees are there. Bhaktanam. What kind of devotees are there? Udghata Anargaladiyam. Anargaladiyam. Their mind is not wavering. They are completely engrossed in Radha Krishna's pastime. Vargaha Nisargo Jvala. Nisargo Jvala. They are not just ordinary devotees. They are very advanced. Shilai Pallavitas Savallavi Vadu. Bandor Prabandhopyaso. Prabandhopyaso. This Prabandha, this Vidagdha Madhava, actually talks about whom? Shilai Pallavita Savallavi Vadu. This pastime is about Radha and Krishna. In this book, he is decorated with so many wonderful ornaments. Ornaments of poetry. You have these ornaments that people wear. It's very expensive for people to buy now. If somebody's mind is engrossed in the ornaments of poetry, especially the poetry which is decorating the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, that is the best ornament which you can ever have for your mind. Leve Jatvaradam Dandava Vide. And Chatvaradam Dandava Vide. That is Rasastali, Rasamandala. Dandava Vide means for Rasastali. Vrindatavi Garbhabhu. Where is that? Rasastala. Vrindatavi Garbhabhu. in the middle of Garbha of Vrindavan. Manye madvidhat punya mandala paripago yamnigati. Then all the audience are actually so blissful. All the pious activities, whichever they have done in their life, now it has come to the perfection. Whatever good things anybody has done in their life, if at all there is any perfection, it is to sit and hear about Radha. That is why this word is being used. Paripago yunnilati. Paripakaha. Paripaka, paripakva. Something fructified. What is fructified? All the pious activities which you have done in this life, in the previous life, is fructified. Oh, it can be considered fructified only when somebody is sitting and hearing about Radha. Abhivyakya madhya prakritir lagurupala vibhuda vidati siddhartam marigunamayi vahatriram kulindena vikaknikimusan samidham unmata janito hiranyam shreninam aparharati nantak kusha kalu satam. Goswami expresses humility. He says, all the devotees, please accept my ambitions. I am so low class. Prakriti lagu rupa. By nature, I am still a low class person. Abhibhuda vidhatri siddhartam harigunamai. Though I am low class, what I am doing now here is actually describing Vidakta Madhav to all of you and all the great devotees in front of you. How dare I am doing this thing? I'll give you an example. He says, Kulindena bi akhitim samidham unmatya janito. Says, Kulindena bi, like a forest hunter, Kulinda, hunter, low class person. He collects firewood. And he collects the firewood and gives to the Brahmins. What the Brahmins are doing? They are doing yajna. So you are all the great Brahmins, I am that Pulinda. So even that Pulinda, low class person, is of some use to these Brahmins. What to speak of that? This fire, even though brought by low class person, can purify gold. The same way, even though I am very low class, I am writing this book that will be beneficial for you. You get advanced gold. It will be so beneficial for you. Hiranyam shreninam aparati nantak kushalatam. Like the gold is so wonderful, but there is some impurity in it. Can be destroyed by the fire. In the same way, this the fire of Vidakta Madhava. Both verses Vidakta Madhava is like that fire. Even though lit by a low class person like me, can purify the impurity in the very advanced gold. Rai kahe kaha deki premotpatti karana. You speak about premotpatti karana. Kaha deki means I want to examine. You kaha means you speak. Deki means an examine. Rai Raman is also an expert in writing different wonderful natas. Especially, I want to know about Guruvaraga, Vikara, Cheshta, Kama Likhana. Kama Likhana means love letter. Especially when somebody is very much agitated and loud, at that time they write letters. The examination, the pen doesn't move further because you don't know anything. And pen comes and you are writing a love letter, oh, all the grammar, all the metaphors, everything comes. Where does it come from? It comes. Love teaches everything. Love makes you do everything. This way, I want to hear about it, Purvarada. Kamirupa Goswami Sakala Kahila. Goswami gradually starts speaking about everything. Sunita Bhura Bhakta Gadana Chakkara Haila. Hearing this, all the devotees became completely astonished. Narupa Goswami, many verses are quoted here. Vidikta Madhava. Purvaraga. Etasya Shrutameva Lumbadimatim Krishneti Namaksharam Sandronmada Paramparam Mupanataya Anyasya Vamshikala Kejasnighaganadyudit Manasi Me Langakade Vikshana Sandrik Purushatrairatir Abhum Manye Mritir Shreyasi. Krishna and Radharani have not actually met. And there is affection for each other in the heart before meeting each other. And that affection is called Purvaraga. And a very beautiful verse described in Purvaraga is described Purvaraga is described in this verse. Radharani is completely confused. She's actually telling to her Saki, saying, "Oh Saki, please listen. I don't know what has happened to me. I got married. Better I die. Manye Mritir Shreyasi. Manye, I feel that Mritir Shreyasi, let me die. Because Edasya Shutameva Lumbadimatim Krishneti Namaksharam. Krishneti Namaksharam. As soon as I hear this word Krishna, Namaksharam, this Krishna, as soon as I hear, my mind is completely maddened. My mind is completely maddened. 24 hours, just think of Krishna and nobody else. This person whose name is Krishna, I don't know, I have not seen him, but whoever is this Krishna has completely captivated my mind. Nobody. I lost all my chastity. I just cannot do any household works anymore. Okay, if I love one person, it is fine. But my mind is attracted to another person. Who is that person? Sandronmada Parambaram Upanayat Anyasya Vamshikala. The other person who plays the flute. The sound of the flute has entered my ears and made me completely mad. Okay, if I love one person, people say, okay, love one person, fine. But there is one more person who is playing the flute. And who is that person who is playing the flute? I don't know. He has attracted my mind so much and made my mind completely destroyed. I lost all kinds of good sense. Sandronmada Varam Upanayat Anyasya Vamshikala. Okay, at least if you are in love with these people also, fine. There is another person. Who is that person? Ye Jasnikta Ganatyudit Manasi Me. Ganatyuti, a dark complexion person is there. And his body is so thick, so smooth and so wonderful. Laknapade Vikshana. And his picture of this person is always in my mind. I am completely gone. I lost all my composure. I got to become mad. That I become mad in love with three people. One whose name is Krishna. Other one who plays the flute. Other one is who is God, a beautiful form of Dhanasham. Kashtam Purushatraye Ratirabhum. Ratirabhum, this Rati, this love as if it is one person, okay, fine, I can tell my mother, father, I love him. But if I go and tell anybody, I love three people and I'm completely mad in love with three people. What's going to happen to me? What? So, it is better I die. In this way, Guru Rag has been so nicely described. Yam Saki Sudusatya Radharadaya Vedana Pitayatra Chikitsapi Tasyam Haraya Vasyati. Actually, Radharani, she is speaking for herself. Sometimes madness to speak to herself. Yam Saki. Actually, she is speaking to herself, thinking herself as Saki. Oh, this Saki. Saki means Radharani is telling to herself, Saki, this Saki, her bimari, her disease is Sudusadhyaha. It is very difficult to cure. Radha Hradaya Vedana. Hradaya Vedana, it is so difficult. Kritayatra Chikitsyapi, even though a doctor would come and give you treatment, nothing is going to happen because I have to tell the doctor what is the disease. What is the disease? I am in love with 3 people. It is more dangerous. If doctor comes, he may cure. I know he doesn't cure, there is no cure for it. Even if he comes, how am I going to tell my disease? I am in love with 3 people. One whose name is so beautiful, so sweet. Other one is Desh Fruit. Other one is Sham Sundar. I don't know what has happened. There is one Sanskrit of high language is there, Prakrit. Vijay Madhav, sometimes Acharya is Prakrit because Prakrit is a language which is specifically meant for drama and dialogues, where rasa can be manifest so nicely. Pradichandra guna sundaramaha mandire tumam vasasi. The whole words are like this. Mama becomes maha. That is more expression of rasa. Mandire tum becomes tum is actually more of the sound is more aristocratic. Tumam that becomes more rasa. Vasasi tatattaha sivarim jaha jaha ja ida palai me. Now, Radharani says, your beautiful face is completely there, embedded in my heart. Dhari. Ritva parichandra gunam. Ritva. That becomes dhari in practice. Parichanda gunam sundarama mandire tvam vasasi. Mama mandire tvam vasasi. Your beautiful form is actually living in my heart, in my mind. It is actually a temple. Now, it is spoken by Krishna to Manga. Spoken to Krishna by Manga. And it is actually written left by Srimati Radharani. He says to Krishna, oh Krishna, your beautiful form picture is in my heart, in the temple of my heart. And I don't know, I want to run away from you. Forcefully I tried to run. What happened? You come and then stop me. That is my condition. I want to go away from you, but you are there in my heart. You stop me. Now, the beautiful words is talking about Radharani's Guru Prema. Guru Rag is manifesting into Prema. She is now talking about thinking about Krishna constantly. And thinking about Krishna, all the things connected to Krishna becomes another Uddipana. Uddipana means impetus for love from there. When you love someone, he's not there or she's not there, you find their handkerchief or some sari, or immediately you think of the person in fact contemplating. This is how Srimati Radharani's love for Krishna is being described. Akrevi Chayashi Kanda Kandanamajirat Utkampanamalambaje Kunjanam Savilokanam Muhuraso Sarsambari Proshati Naujane Janayanna Purva Natana Krida Chamatkaritam Mahalyaya Ilachitta Bhumi Avishad Koyam Navinatra. So, Krishna's grandmother, Ukara. Ukara is the friend of Krishna's grandmother. She is telling to Purnamasi, the grandmother of Madhumandal. Grandmothers know the business. What is the grandmothers do? They look at all the village girls. Like this, like this. The grandmothers are sitting and discussing. The grandmothers. Hey, what happened? You know, to this girl, Radharani. Agre Chasipanda Kanda Majira. She was quite normal, very nice. Such a nice girl. What happened to? I don't know. What happened? Koyam Navina. Some ghost has entered to us. I saw. Agre Vikshaya Shikanda Kanda Namachirat. As soon as she Sambhika better, going Sambhika, what happens to her? Uttam Panamalam Bade. She starts shivering. So many peacock feathers were there before. She was going peacefully. Now what has happened? As soon as she saw the peacock feather, she's shivering. Now she goes further. Kunjanam Savilokanam Huraso Dasram Barikrojati. Sometimes she sees a Gunja Mala. Ashram Barikrojati. She starts crying loudly so much. Hey, Purnamasi. Now jane janayanna purva nadana krida chamatkarika. Now jane, I don't know what's happening. What kind of excessive symptoms she's feeling, I don't know. Apurva nadana. This kind of behavior was never there for her. Balaya kila chitta bhumi mavishat. So, chitta bhumi mavishat. I don't know which ghost has entered into her consciousness. Chitta bhumi. Now, further. Radharani speaks to Shaka. Akarunya Krishna yadimai tavad tatam yatim mudamarodhi me purvaramyam uttaratim tamalasya skande vinihita uja paltaviriyam yada vrindaranye chiram vijalat tishtaditam. See, Radharani's love for Krishna and Vrindavan is so much. He says to Lalita, because of Krishna's akarunya, hard-heartedness, akarunya Krishna yadimai tavaga katamidam, because of his cruel nature, it is such an offense. I become so disturbed. I am going to give up my body. Because I have so much of love for me, and I just cannot tolerate even a simple offense for him. Akarunya. When I die, oh Saki, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Because I feel bad when you cry for me. Mudamarodasi me. Marodasi, please don't cry, O Lalite. What we do? Guru Bharamiyam Uttarakridim. Uttarakriya. Means after a person dies, what all the rituals are there? It's called Uttarakriya. Hey Lalite, please do Uttarakriya for me. How I should? I will tell you, don't follow any duty. Taking in body and doing all kinds of upachars and all. Tamalasya skande. Tamal Vruksha is not different from Krishna. Because whenever I see a Tamal Vruksha, immediately think of Krishna and try to have Tamal Vruksha. You take my body and make my body completely entangled into Tamal Vruksha as if a creeper would entangle the tree. Tamalasya skande vinihita bhuja. Keep my bhujas, the hands on the Tamal Vruksha. Like Vallaviriyam. Yatha Vrindavane Chiramam Chirat Taditanu. Like in this way, I become a creeper for this Tamal Vruksha, and I'm constantly staying Vrindavan, embracing Krishna. After speaking, राय कहे की भावे स्वभाव. You speak about the verses which are talking about bhava, and I want to examine that. Kaha, please speak so that I can see. रूप कहे ऐसे है कृष्ण विषय का भाव. Goswami says, ऐसे है कृष्ण विषय का भाव. How are the Krishna विषय का भाव? How they? Like this. पीडाद्यर्नवकालकूटकटुता गर्भस्य निर्वासनो निश्यन्देन मुदां सुधा मधुरिमाङ्कारसङ्कोचना प्रेम सुन्दरी नन्दनन्दन परो जाग्रति यस्यान्तरे ज्ञायन्ते स्फुटम् अस्य वक्त्रमधुरास्तेनैव विक्रान्तया. So this verse is spoken by Purnamas. He says that this love for Krishna is like this. Pīdātir navaka kuta katuta garvasya nirvasano. The poison. Kalakuta poison. It is so dangerous. It is so bitter, so dangerous. Even that becomes insignificant in front of love of Krishna. What kind of love? Loving separation. You love somebody and you are not able to meet that person, the amount of misery, the viraha, bhava, experience is so much that even Kalakuta Krishna becomes insignificant compared to the poison of she experience. Vendasi Chandanamindu Kiranamanu. Yede Goswami says. And Radharani experience separation. Then her body becomes so hard, and all the gopis they bring and apply chandan. Then the chandan. No. Just take this. This is too much. How is the chandan? It is like the hot airs or poison coming from the snake. Then they say, okay, at least wear some flowers. They bring a flower garland. It's a snake. It does. Because when you are in separation with someone, even the wonderful thing of this world becomes useless.
रिक्वेस्ट किया
प्रेम सुंदरी नंदनंदन वरो जागर्ति यस्यान्तरे. So love for Krishna acts in these two ways. The poisonous effect of love of God defeats the severe fresh poison at the same time. Poison of serpent at the same time. The bliss which is so wonderful that it defeats the downpour of Yasyantare Ayante Sputammasya Patra Maduraste Naiva Vikrantaya. So beautiful pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Nanda Nanda Maharaj. Radha and Krishna. Radharani experiencing this bhava, it has got this double effect. The effect of poison, of separation, That poison is so much, the ordinary poisons of the snakes of the Kalakuta becomes insignificant. The bliss and love of God is so much, the downpour of nectar from heaven becomes insignificant. Now we spoke about Bhava. Now we spoke about Prema Lakshan. Goswami kahe, Rupa Goswami kahe, Sahajai ka prema. These are the natural characteristics of prema peace here. Stotram yatra tatastatam prakayachat chittasya lakdevatam Nindapi pramadam prayachati parihasa shriyam vidhati doshena kshaitam gunena gurutam kenapyanatva anatanvati emnaswara sariktasya kasyachit iyam vikridati prakriya. Stotram, when you are beloved, Krishna sometimes glorifies Srimati Radharani, Radharani sometimes glorifies Krishna. Yeah, outwardly we are very good. Oh. Tatastham prakyatya chittasya datte swayam datte vyatam. But internally they feel a lot of pain. Outwardly they are tatastha. Then sometimes it so happens. Nindapi. When they criticize, you useless, you're idiot. Nindapi pramadam prayachati parihasa shriyam vidhati. Sometimes Radharani would criticize Krishna, you Durta, you idiot. Oh, Krishna makes joke out. And doshena kshaitam gunena gurutam kenapyanatanvati. Or Radha and Krishna's love. Somebody says Radharani loves Krishna because he is very beautiful. That is wrong. Sometimes people say Krishna loves Radharani so much because Radharani is so beautiful. No. The nature of love is very natural. The greatness of beauty or quality in Krishna doesn't increase the love of Radharani. Nor the defects in Krishna would reduce the love of Radharani. Love for Krishna. The same way vice versa also. The glory of Srimati Radharani is not going to increase Krishna's love for her. Not defects in Radharani would not reduce love for Krishna. Because the nature of love is that doshena kshaitam gunena gurutam kenapyanatanvati. Premna swarasikasya kasya diriyam. This is the nature of prema. If somebody loves somebody because of some reason, that is not called prema. In this world, prema is based on reason. You go and ask her, why do you love Krishna? She slaps you. What is it? You want some reason for it or what? There is no reason. You go and ask somebody, why do you love her? And I love her because she's that, she's this. Why do you love him? Because he's that, he's rich. But when he loses his job, gone, all love. So that love, which is manifesting without reason, and that love is pure, transcendent. Sometimes Krishna, he mistreated Radharani. Radharani so much requesting Krishna. No, he just leaves. He goes. At the time, Krishna is thinking himself about himself. Shutvanishthuratam mamendu vadana premankuram vindati swante shanti drudam vidachya vidure prayat paranjishyati imma pamarakamakam purapari taras vimokchyatyasu आमोघात फलिनी मनोरथ तथा मृत्वी मन्योन्मोहिता. sometimes Krishna think repenting. Trutva nishturatam. Maybe by hearing my nishturatam, very harsh words. Mamendu vadana premankuram vimdati. Maybe establish some tolerance in my her heart. She may feeling very much agitated, but still she may tolerate. Oh, maybe Swante Shanti Drutam Vidhaya Vidure. She may become very agitated and reject me. What's going to happen to me? Praya Paraya Anchati. Sometimes it may happen that Kimva Pamara Kama Kamkura Paritrata. Because of extreme love for me and I mistreating her, she may sometimes go and give up her body. He says, Ha Mukta Palini Manorata Lata Vritti Mayun Lata. What I did, just see. Krishna is repenting. I just sowed the creeper seed. And the creeper is about to grow and then give flowers and fruits. Just before that, I just took the creeper and then put it out. So the creeper of love is growing in Radharani towards me, and I behaved so harshly. And in this way, Krishna is repenting for his harsh behavior towards me. Yasyot-sanga sukasya sthitita dilita gurvi gurubhye strapa प्राणेभ्यो विसुरतमसगे तदायोऽयं परीक्षिता धर्मस्योऽपि महान् मया सगणिता सात्विभिरध्यासितो ऋग्धैर्यं तदुपेक्षितापि यत् अहं जीवामि पापीयसी. Shrimati Radharani is speaking these words to Vishaka Sakhi. He's saying that Vishaka Sakhi. He says, to meet Krishna because of love for him, what I did. Yet so sanga sukaya sthilita. For the purpose of meeting Krishna and getting their happiness in association with him, what did I do? Guruvi Guru Base Trapa. I rejected the words of my elders. My parents told me, father told me, everybody told me, all the elderly people told me, don't go and meet this Krishna. I did not bother. You'll get lost. I'm going to meet Krishna. Pranebhyo Visruttamasaki. You all Sakis, you also told me. Oh, don't go and meet Krishna. He is black from outside, black from inside. He's Dutta. You all told me, I know that. You are more dear to me than my life. Then what did I do? Nuyam Parikleshita. I refused to also. I did not hear to you. I rejected you. Dharmo sopi mahan maya ganitaha. Dharma. How a chaste girl should be. On Dharma is there, I know that. But still, I rejected all Dharma. What did it? Sati viradhyasito. I gave up all the characteristics which Sati should have and then met Krishna. What has happened now? Digdairyam tadupekshita pidadaham jivami papiyasi. Krishna has rejected me. I rejected all of you and then went to Krishna and Krishna has now rejected me. What is my condition? Yes, see. Now I come to you. I should have killed myself. I am still living. I am a papi. Aham jivami papi. Yes. Shrimati Radharani speaking these words to Lalita. Now, Radharani herself speaks to Krishna. These beautiful words. Krishna is rejecting her. Srihantakhelananto nijasajabalasya balana अभद्रं भद्रं वा किमपि न जानामि मना वयं नेतृं युतयाः कथम् आश्रमां कामपि दशाम् कथं वा न्यायेते प्रतितुष्टुम् उदासीन पदवी. She says, Krishna, oh Krishna, playfully engaged in my home, peacefully doing all my playful things with all my sakis. I was not knowing what is right, what is wrong. I don't know what has happened. Abhadram bhadram va kimapi na janami I don't know what is bhadra, what is abhadra, good and bad. Vayam netum yukta gatamashram tamapi dasham. And you came and you saw me, I saw. And now, what is my dasha? You just see. I am completely captivated by your beauty, by your wonderful qualities. I just only think about, I was a simple peaceful girl. Now you came and you destroyed all my life. And I'm so much in love with you. Now, what you are saying? And you are behaving to me in an indifferent way. Katam va nyayah te prataitum udasina padavi. I gave up everything and came to you. And now you are doing us. Where is this? Is it nyaya? Katam va nyayatam? Is it book and part to this thing? Let us speak to maybe other words. Ready? Take the boat. बोल रखे बोल सब रखने के बाद अंतक्लेशकलंकिता किल वयं यामोद्ययाम्याम्बुरीं आयं वाञ्छन संचय प्रणयिनम् आसं ददात्युच्छति अस्मिन् समुपिते गभीर कपटि कपटैर् आभीरवल्लवी विजय आमेधाविनी राधिके तव कथं प्रेमागरीयामभू. ललिता सखी speak to Radharani. Radharani, Laliता say, Antakleşakalamkita kilavayam. Where are they? Our hearts are now completely polluted. Definitely we are going to Yamodhyayamyamburi. We are going to go to Yamapuri. Nayam Manchana Sanchaya Pranayinam Hasam Dadatyuchati. Our mind is so much disturbed and always 24 hours thinking of Krishna. Definitely we are going to help. But still this Krishna doesn't stop smiling. Nayam Vanchana Sanchaya Pranayinam Asandataapyujjati. He doesn't start smiling. At least if he stops smiling, we can forget. Asmin samputite gabhira kapatair abhira valli vite. Hey Radhe, you are so intelligent. Medhavini Radhike, you are Medhavini. Tavakatam prema gariyamabhu. How did you develop this affection for this idiot? She only spoke for 6. Katam gariyam Medhavini, you are Medhavi. Asmin samputite gabhira kapatair. Kapati. Krishna is Kapati. Abhira vallavi vite. I don't know what kind of thing is there in this Kapati that you got attracted. You are Medhavini, you are intelligent. You should have not done that. He's a cheater. Purnamasi tells Lord Krishna,
She's trying to patch it Radharani. There are certain kind of scripture which every verse is independent in itself. Which verse will not connect with other words, like story. Those verses are actually having more nectar. You can just take one verse and release that verse. You take a story, and you take one verse, you don't know what is it before and afterwards. These verses are like that. Itva dure padidvaratayorantikam dharmaseto Bangotgara Guru Shikarinam Brahmasalankayanti Deve Krishnarnavanavarasaradhika Vahini Tvam Vakpichivir Kimiham Vimukhi Bhavam Masyatanosi. He says, Krishna, you are like ocean. And Radharani is like a river. Kitva dure patitvaradharo. So this river actually gave up the trees. It's actually husband. And then the river has broken Dharma Setu. Sometimes at the bridge, there is a dam which are built. And Srimati Radharani has broken the dam of Dharma, giving up all kinds of ways Dharma, all kinds of household affairs, everything. Gangotgara Guru Shikarinam Brahmasala Ghayanti. What forcefully, the big hills which came in between. Who are those hills? Elders. They are orders. What did she do? She cleverly just crossed the hills. Did not even bother for the elders to meet you. Deve Krishna Navanavarasaradhika Vahini Tvam. This Radhika, she is flowing towards you, Krishna ocean. Now, what you have done? Such Srimati Radharani, she has given up everyone. She has just imagined like a river travels all the way from the Himalayas and comes to the ocean. Ocean says, get lost. What will happen to that river? Oh Krishna, you have behaved like an ocean. What kind of attitude do you have? Just see Srimati Radharani is crying for you. This way. Rai kahe Vrindavanam Murali Vishwasana. Krishna Radhikara Giyache Kariyache Bhagwan. Goes on further. Beautiful verses which talk about Vrindavan, glories of Krishna, Radharani, and other verses. We are ready for Nauka Vihar. So I was wondering what to speak today. I thought that we introduce a book called Vidisha Madhava. Janmashtami, Chamatkar Chandrika, this Madhava. That's wonderful. Like in the beginning, first verse, Nandi verse, it talks about somebody's mind is engrossed. These verses, these books, two things happen. One is all the miseries of mental existence are lost in a second. And all the stupid desires what we have in the mind, everything is lost. Srimati Radharani ki jai. Srimati Radharani, you all heard something from Vidya Madhava and the Goswami, who is none other than Beach. Prabhupada. Just start the Nauka Vihar. Pandit ji. इधर से बैठ के नहीं पुजारी
मैथ्स क्लास मैथ्स पढ़ाना चाहिए क्लास